Hello students, in last period we studied that translation that the information which is present in messenger RNA that converted into in the form of polypeptide chains or formation of proteins, that is the translation. Now today we discuss that is regulation of gene expression. Regulation of gene expression. How gene regulate itself. Gene expression or regulation of gene expression is a broad topic. So gene express itself at various levels. First is of regulation of gene expression occurs at transcriptional level. Transcriptional level. When the formation of messenger RNA there, that time regulation of gene expression is there. Second is of during processing. Processing level. When newly formed RNA or messenger RNA processed to form a messenger RNA, at that time also regulation of gene expression is there. Then during transport of messenger RNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. At that time also regulation of gene expression is there, and at the time of translation, these are the different level where regulation of gene expression is there. At the transcriptional level, during processing or transferring of messenger RNA to nucleus to cytoplasm, and then at the translation level, means whenever polypeptide chain is formed, that time also regulation of gene expression is there. So it is broad level. In different level, the regulation of gene expression is occurred. For example, an enzyme called beta-galactosidase, an enzyme that is beta-galactosidase, that hydrolyze the lactose into galactose and glucose. So it is also the particular gene express or regulate at various level if in the particular cells, just like in E. coli, this beta-galactosidase hydrolyze the lactose, which is the source of energy in E. coli. And the formation of beta-galactosidase, when the formation of beta-galactosidase occur, if the lactose is present in the cell or not. If the lactose is not there in the cell, then beta-galactosidase enzyme is formed. What is the use of that enzyme? So if the lactose is not there, then beta-galactosidase is not formed, and whenever lactose present in the cell, that time this enzyme is formed and that do their function, hydrolyze the lactose into galactose and glucose, and they produce energy. So it gene regulated at various level like this. Now operon. The different models given the gene expression in which the operon is a particular model. In operon model, different gene is there, that is repressor, inducer, structural, promoter. So these different genes present on the particular messenger RNA, and they all will be regulated by the single genes. And if we see in prokaryotic cells, the gene is of polycistronic gene. Polycistronic means more than one gene code for the single messenger RNA. In single messenger RNA contain all these genes. That's why it is known as polycistronic genes. So different types of operon models given by the scientist for the study of this regulation of gene. These are Lake operon, Ara operon, Trap operon. These are different types of operon model through which explain the regulation of gene expression. One example is there, the Lake operon model. The Lake operon model. Lake operon model given by the Jacob and Monod. It is given by the Jacob and Monod. Lake operon model is contain different types of gene. One regulatory gene, complete regulate this Lake operon model, and this is I gene, or also known as inhibitor gene. Inhibitor gene or I gene. It is regulatory gene which regulates the complete messenger RNA. And another is of Z gene, Y gene, and A gene. Z gene synthesize beta galactosidase, which hydrolyze the lactose into glucose and galactose. Another is of Y gene. That Y gene produce primase enzymes. That primase enzymes increase the permeability of cell membrane for the lactose, due to which the lactose will come in the particular cells, and where hydrolyzing of lactose is there with the help of beta galactosidase enzymes. And another is of A gene, and which help in the transacetylation. Transacetylation means through two different, that glucose and galactose, the another product is formed with this help of these enzymes. So all these are the three structural genes which is present in the Lake operon model. If we see that Lake operon model, see the Lake operon model. This P gene, I gene, P gene, O gene, Z gene, Y gene, A gene. This is of initial promoter, and after this promoter, the inhibitory gene activated, or we can say that is of repressor gene, which form repressor messenger RNA. And when It is occur when inducer is not there. Not present. Inducer means that lactose sugar disaccharide which is not present inside the cell, that time it produce this one is of inducer protein, and this protein bind up this operator gene and inhibit their complete process. If lactose is not there, means inducer is not there, so this protein bind up with the operator gene and further formation of messenger RNA will stop. This is one condition, and another condition, suppose inducer is present. Inducer is present. This form repressor messenger RNA and it form the particular types of protein, and this is the lactose. Where lactose is work as a inducer. This is work as inducer, and this lactose bind up with this protein. This lactose bind up with this protein, and then after this operator gene will operate and then produce messenger RNA from the structural gene, that is of ZYA. It produce messenger RNA from the structural gene, and after that this Z produce beta galactosidase that hydrolyze the lactose into glucose and galactose. Y produce primase enzymes that increase cell membrane permeability for the lactose, from which the lactose will come in the particular cells from the neighboring cells, and A produce transacetylase enzyme that help in the production of new compounds. Initially we see gene regulation is occurring here. Suppose gene regulation is not occur here at initial stage. If this ZYA gene produce messenger RNA and they produce beta galactosidase, primase enzyme and transacetylase enzyme. But here inducer is not there, means lactose is not present inside the cell. What is the use of these three enzymes? If inside the cell lactose is not there, what is the use? The energy goes waste. That's why this protein bind up with this operator gene and further formation of messenger RNA from ZYA gene, structural gene is not occurred. If the lactose is there, that bind up with this repressor messenger RNA and this is known as inducer and inactivate this protein. Then after this operator gene activated and it form new messenger RNA that form three types of enzymes, that is beta galactosidase, primase and transacetylase, and they do different types of function. So this is the Lake-Operon model in which three different genes perform different function. Because in prokaryotic the polycistronic gene is there. Again, they regulated various level at initial level and then final level. If the lactose is there or not. So this is regulation of gene expression in Lake-Operon model. So today we discuss the regulation of gene expression with the example of Lake-Operon model. So how gene express itself at the various level, if the particular product is there or not there, or initially substrate is there or not there, according to they do their function.